January 14.
Ngayon po, iniimbitahan ko po kayo na manood ng Werewolf Boy sa
January 14 in cinemas nationwide. Buy your tickets na po.
There you have it, Derek. Please stay here with them. Let's have your photos taken. And the rest of the cast, may we invite... Okay, sa loob na lang daw ang mga cast. Okay, to all the ticket holders, how does it feel, Derek?
Nakaka-excite, nakakaba, pero masaya. Day 5 na ni makikita na lang lahat yung pinaghirapan namin. Rapture fans, salamat!
Ayan, grabe ang suporta. Isa pang masigabang palakpakan at sigawan para kay Direk Chris. Grabe, Direk Chris. Ano nga abangan namin dito?
Aabangan nyo kung gaano kahusay si Rabing Ameles at si Angela Mundi. Napakahusay ng Rapture. At syempre, kikiligin sila.
Kikiligin, hindi mawawala ang kilig.
Maiihi sila sa kilig.
Maihigit na ko kailangan magpigil kasi baka may mamiss kami
Mag-CR na kayo.
Mag-CR na kayo daw bago kayo manood at pumasok. Ito na, Direk Chris to join us here. Of course.
Ang magustuhan niyo po ang pelikulang ihahandog namin sa inyo.
Mukhang talagang excited na kaming lahat. Kaya naman pwede mo ba kaming bigyan ng isang word to describe your character?
Empathetic.
Wow, empathetic! Aabangan natin ang empathetic na Candy Pangilinan sa A Werewolf Boy. Miss Candy, please invite them to watch your film.
Panoorin niyo po ang Werewolf Boy nako January 14 nationwide. Huwag niyo pong palalampasin. At kung nagustuhan niyo po, ipagkalat niyo po ang mabuting balita.
There you have it. Congratulations!
Celebrate this new year with you guys. Welcome.
Wow, yes, speaking of New Year, this is the very first film ng Viva this year. Kaya congratulations sa pelikula nyo ang pinakauna. How does it feel that you have a film at yung pinakauna pelikula ng Viva this year? How is it?
It feels so great. I feel so honored to be a part of the Philippine adaptation of A Werewolf Boy, especially because we all worked under the guidance of Direk Chris. He's so amazing, and of course working alongside Ate Angela and Irabi.
Wow, how about you, sir?
Siyempre excited at proud na we've worked with ang ganda ng cast, very talented, tapos ang galing ng production house. And siyempre yung film itself, adaptation niya siya.
Yes, the Korean film. Thank you very much. And lastly, sir.
Speaking of adaptation, so palagay ko mas maganda pa nga ito sa original. So ito yung kailangan ng pag-correct.
Thank you very much. We're excited to like the mom.
Hello guys. Hello, good evening. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Thank you for coming. Habang-habang po ito. And we're so glad to be presenting it. And we're so glad that it's out for the rest of the world to see. A Werewolf Boy.
Good evening to everyone. Thank you for coming. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Sana po ay magustuhan ninyo ang aming munting pelikula, Werewolf Boy.
Thank you so much po for coming here. And guys, let's watch A Werewolf Boy. Super excited po kami lahat. And yun, support natin ng Rapture. Let's go.
There you have it. Please invite them to watch it on January 14. Any representative? Go France.
And don't forget, January 14. Mark your calendars and you show it now A Werewolf Boy. Bring your friends, your family, and your loved ones. Yeah.
There you have it. Thank you, Sarah Frost. And Charles, let's have it. Dito mga fans niyo, batiin niyo naman sila na. Hello.
Hello po.
Yeah. Very excited. No, pero kanina yung kawin niya talaga. How excited are you both? Napanoorin tong Werewolf Boy.
Super excited kami supportan yung friend namin, which is si Robin Angeles. Kasi ito yung magiging first movie niya, no? First leading movie niya. So ayun, sabay-sabay natin supportahan ang Werewolf Boy.
There you have it. Ikaw naman, Martin, okay ka ba?
Ayun na, naiyak.
I-invite mo na sila. I-invite mo na sila panoorin to sa January 14.
Okay, so January 14, please watch A Werewolf Boy. Ito ang first solo movie ng Rapture, sina Robin and Angela. And sobrang ganda ng movie. Actually,
Sneak peek na sa akin ni Robin eh. So, sobrang ganda nito, promise. Sobrang.
Excited na talagang lahat yan. Let me grab the microphone. It's time for the OOTD pose. Thank you.